Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add birthdays to your Outlook calendar. Adding a birthday helps you track important dates, so you never miss a special day. We will walk you through how to add and manage birthday reminders in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. In Microsoft Outlook, we can add birthdays by clicking the calendar in the upper left part of Outlook. Once we click on it, we need to choose the date of the birthday we want to add. For example, if the birthday is in April, we will select a day, such as the 7th. If we want to set a reminder, we can choose what time to be notified. For example, 6 a.m. Here, we can enter the name, like John's birthday, and we can also add a location if needed. We can adjust the time here as well. When we are done, just click Save. As you can see, the birthday now appears as a notification in your Outlook calendar. We have successfully added a birthday to Outlook, and from now on, we will always be reminded of those birthdays ahead of time.